for admissibility to Canada.
The federal government is currently doing the rounds to seek inputs from stakeholders and its ongoing review of the Live-in Caregiver Program or LCP. Balitang Canada sources confirmed these consultations with some members of the Filipino community in key cities like Vancouver, Montreal, and Toronto. In these meetings, kababayans reiterated their call for landed permanent resident status for caregivers.
Nakikita namin ito yung mahalagang recommendation para i-address yung vulnerability ng mga caregivers.
This amid speculation that the pathway to permanent residency status might be removed from the LCP.
Nakakatakot para sa community na ganito dahil unang-una kaya po tayo pumupunta dito sa Canada ay para dalhin ang ating mga kapamilya para magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan.
With these concerns, Pinoys in Ontario have been meeting to craft recommendations to government as consultations continue. Some caregivers also do not want the live-in requirement as the situation is prone to abuse. Instead, what they want are better opportunities to upgrade their skills so that they can move on and contribute more to the Canadian economy.
Ang sabi ng ministro sa atin ay baka end of August ay imi-meet niya ulit tayo o magkakaroon ng second round of consultation at kukunin niya lahat ng mga recommendation galing sa iba't ibang lugar. Ang next step para sa atin ay kailangan ay pag-igihan natin at pagbutihan natin yung ating rekomendasyon so that yung magiging reforma ay talagang magagaling sa atin.
The LCP is the only program with a pathway to permanent residency among the streams in the Temporary Foreign Workers Program. Veronica Silva, ABS-CBN News, Toronto.